Hello guys, this is Alex Ferguson, and today we're doing a driving instructional video. We'll be talking about grip, twist, and then grip. The grip I use for driving is this grip right here. It's a power grip. What this does is that I use this grip mainly for off the tees or like at least 250 to 300 and out. Mainly I like to use this grip just for power shots, but you can use any grip you would like. There's like multiple types of grips, like there's this grip, there's this grip and stuff like that, but I just like this for power grips. But my thumb placement is, you can put your thumb anywhere. I like to put it right here, it's what feels most comfortable to me. But you can put it like right here, right here, right here, on it. But you can put it anywhere you want. I want to talk about the twist part. Mainly, most amateurs I see, they like to tend to put their two front and back foot in line with each other towards the basket. Now, it's fine if you do it for like a short upshot, but when you're driving, you want to put your front foot up out towards the left, because if you do this, it makes your body pull over, which goes that way. You don't want to do that. Make sure your front foot goes up towards the left. It allows you more room, more space. Another important factor in driving is the reach bag. So, two professionals I know, Will Shoestrick, number one, who has a long reach bag, and then Seppo Paju, who has kind of a short reach bag. There is two types of reach bags. There's like the long reach bag like Will does, and there's just like the curl whip like Seppo does. Both of them work because they generate all the power and momentum when they release it, but all the power, when you get all the speed, it just comes right here. And those are the two reach backs that you can do. I generally like the long reach back just because it just feels more comfortable to me. One more part I want to talk about is the X step, and people ask me, what is the X step? So a lot of people, like most pros you see, has an X step, like Will Shoestrick, Paul McBeth, all them people. But it's where you put your front foot goes here, and your back foot comes around, and then your front foot comes up again, and then release. So, I'm going to show you an example. Those are the main things I want to talk about for this driving instructional video. For more videos, please click down below for the subscribe button and click the notification button down below for more videos. And I will show you some motor clips.